Today, let's talk about how to use Perplexity AI for writing essays. Let me show you how you can use this AI not just to write the essay for you, but act as a research assistant for idea generations. Now, the first thing that you can do is not just ask for a full essay, instead, you can ask it to help you build one. Let's say you have an essay topic which is about the impact of social media on mental health. You can enter in a prompt and then hit enter. You'll instantly get a structured outline with potential main points, arguments, and even counter arguments, which gives you a solid skeleton to build upon what you are writing for. Once you are happy with this outline, and let's say you want to generate specific sections such as introduction or conclusion, you can provide a follow-up prompt. This way, it will provide you suggestions that you can then adapt in your own words. You don't need to copy the entire conclusion or introduction. You can adjust your wording and add in your own few words as well. So this is the basics that you can follow in order to write essays or use Perplexity for writing essays. If this guide video was helpful, be sure to subscribe and also make sure to give this video a thumbs up. That's pretty much all for today. I'll see you in the next video.